This video is sponsored by BuyMode shopping app. BuyMode e-shopping application is one of the online shopping app now available on Play Store and App Store. BuyMode e-shopping.
हाय फ्रेंड्स, वंस अगेन वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल चेज योर ड्रीम्स। आज जो मैं आपको बोलने जा रहा हूँ या जो बताने जा रहा हूँ ना आपको, वो शायद बहुत लोगों को चीज चुभ सकती है, बट मेरे को किसी को हर्ट करने का इंटेंशन नहीं है। बट आई वांट यू टू रियलाइज, आई वांट जिसके लिए मैं बोलने जा रहा हूँ, दोज पीपल हु आर कंसर्न्ड टू दिस टॉपिक, आई वांट दोज पीपल टू हैव अ डीप थॉट अबाउट this what I'm going to talk today. I know there are many people who can get hurt, but I don't want to hurt anyone's sentiments. The thing is, आप जो अपने सपने देखते हो ना, उसके बीच में कभी कभी एक चीज रुकावट बनती है। I am again telling, I have any intention to hurt any parents, but there are many times that parents are the one because of which the kids are not able to grow. What's the reason is, माँ बाप पहले बच्चों को रोक देते हैं हर बार, नहीं ये मत करो, वो मत करो, ऐसा मत करो, वो मत करो। सी आई एम नॉट टेलिंग कि गलत बच्चा गलत कर रहा है तो उसको मत रोको, बट देयर आर सम टाइम्स जिससे बच्चे खुद करके सीखेंगे। ठीक है, डोंट ट्राई टू लाइक ओवर पावर देम और कीप उनको बताओ कि नहीं जो हम बोल रहे हैं तुम वही करो, दैट इज ओनली करेक्ट इन दिस वर्ल्ड। सी टेक्निकली देयर इज अ जनरेशन गैप दैट वी ऑल एग्री। ओके, उनकी थॉट कुछ 90s के टाइप की होगी, आपकी 2020 जेन-ज़ी टाइप एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स। सी बट वेयर अ फ्यूचर कम्स, you can learn only once you're practical enough. And when you get this practical knowledge, how will you get it? Once you do something on your own. आपके पेरेंट्स सबको पहले ही रोक देते हैं कि no, don't do this, this is the consequences is this, it can be this worsen, it can be like this. See, until unless the kid or your ward is not doing anything wrong, let them do it. They'll gain some experience which will definitely help in the upcoming future. It can be anything. Got it? For example, if they are solving some maths problem, you are coming and telling, okay, ये ऐसे से होता है, 2 + 2 4 होता है, उसमें +1 करो 5 होता है, +1 करो 6 you are telling them, they might forget it again. Why? Because they have not put any efforts into it. Let them do it. Let him do it like this on fingers. Actually, 1 2 में 2 और जोड़ना है तो 2 3 and 4, so it makes 4. He'll remember how he did it. I'm just giving an example. There are so many things, there are so many complicated things that a kid or a child needs to do on its own. कुछ अगर उनका साइंस प्रोजेक्ट है, let them innovate, let them create, let them have some creative ideas on their own. Until unless you don't allow them to grow, you keep them in a nutshell, they'll never be able to move forward. Rest of the people will go ahead by doing by stamping on them, and they'll move forward. They won't even bother that they have stamped someone. Why? What is the reason? The parents. Again, I'm telling, I have no intention to hurt any children's feeling or any parents' feelings, but this is the reality. See, this is the reality. अगर आप उनको अभी से रोक दोगे that don't do this, or they are doing something and you are helping them, okay, you don't do it, I will do it myself and I'll give it to you. ना तो वो सीख पाएंगे, ना वो समझ पाएंगे how did you do it, and if they would have done not by this way, other way they would have done, what would be the consequences, what would be the result, if there is any loss, what would be the loss, nothing they will be able to know. So this is a very bad thing for their growth. It will stop their growth. I hope you guys have understood this and you will be implementing in your life, like you will do everything on your own. See, until unless you're not doing anything bad, you can do it on your own. That's what I want to say. Please don't take this, do it on your own in a wrong way. I'm doing something wrong, I'll do it in my own way. No. Until unless you're doing something productive, do it, try to solve it in your own way. I hope you like this video, subscribe to the channel. I'll meet you something interesting in the next video. Thank you.